So good morning, my fellow viewers. This is the Cornerstone TV. Yeah, I'm here to update you this morning to update you on how our poultry farming it is, how you can start a lucrative job by doing a poultry, by being a poultry farmer. Yeah, these are layers that are just being fed, so we're giving them the food and they are on the battery cage. So they are feeding on their layer march. Your feed is layer march, whereby it comprises of corn, wheat, over, and all kind of ingredients. You feed them. They are purposely made for laying egg. They are not for meat. Boiler is for the meat consumption, and layer is for producing egg. They lay an egg per day, and based on what if you don't give them the rightful feed to feed on, they might not produce as is expected, because the feed that they have been feeding us have been formulated with all kind of nutrients just to make sure that they will be able to produce effectively, and you give them their give them you have to be fascinating them once a month just to make sure they are in good condition. I give them lasota and give them multivitamin just to make sure that they are in good state of health, because if they are not in good state of health, they will not be able to produce very well, and they will not, you are going to be running at loss in one way or the other. So in a month you have to be fascinating them, giving them lasota is just to make sure they are in good state and kill all kind of diseases that is in their body. And you can see that they are feeding on, they have been giving feed, they are already, so you can see that most of them are already laying. They don't lay at the same time, they have different time at which they lay. So before the end of the day, almost all of them will have laid. So they have their time of laying, and you can see that some of them have produced well. You can see that as they are feeding, see their watering can. See their watering can, whereby the water is stored. You can see that that's where the water is. So there must be always water inside our drinking can, so that as they are eating, their feed is always dried. So as they are eating, if you are not giving them enough water, it can choke them and they can easily die. So which means you have to be giving them enough water. There must be water frequently to be drinking, so that they can produce well, and they will not be able to lose them. You can see how, as you can see that they are already producing. We have new ones amongst them that they are just laying, that they are just are like 2 months plus, and we have one that they are a year older. As they are growing day by day, as